Thanks for the ride, Dad.
No problem.
Ooh.
Okay, so you're good? Love you, buddy. Come here.
This looks like a good spot to put a tent. Oh, there's snow in my tent. That's not good. Go. There we go. Whew, got fire. So this right here is a little bit of ptarmigan and some potatoes and some carrots and onions. Oh, this just smells amazing. Oh, that just looks beautiful. Looks so good. And call it a night before all my lights come out and I'm in the darkness. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.